Did somebody say typing? You like typing? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you a few sites that's going to pay you up to $66 per audio hour, and I'm going to explain exactly what that means in a second. But this is definitely a way for you to make money fast because they're going to pay you weekly. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, before I get started, you're on my YouTube channel, so remember that you need to subscribe to my channel so you could learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to like this video if you really enjoy this video and find value on it, because if you like it, it really helps this video, and I'm offering this information for free. I do a lot of research to put these videos together, and all you gotta do is smash that like button underneath this video and it will really help me out, and I appreciate it. So thank you. So now for today's method, if you somehow can't get on the site or something like that, or you don't like this method, you can always learn some online skills with the program in the first link in my video description, where I've also learned from, where you can learn how to build an online business with a business model that allows you to earn passive online income. So this is something I do online, so you could check that out and follow my path. Okay, so for this video, let's check out what you can do with typing online. Okay, so the first site I want to show you is this one, Castingwords at castingwords.com. These guys offer transcription services to businesses and other people who need the transcription things done. So that's a service these guys do. And so for anyone who wants to type for them, you need to come to the very bottom and click on freelancers. Here you will get to workshop.castingwords.com. This is where you will sign up for it. Here you would click register, and you will just start with your name, email address, and password. It's very easy to do. So this is not just for US. It's just saying that US residents, please note that we are unable to create new accounts for these states at this time, and that's because there are certain rules in these states that you cannot be a contractor. I believe that is why that is not available for those states. So, but this is worldwide, guys, so it's not just for the United States. And I want to bring you to the FAQs to check this out. So who freelances for Castingwords? So you can basically work from anywhere, it says right here. Okay, so you don't have to be in the US, but there's just restrictions if you are in the US. And you need to be at least 18 years old to be using this. And of course, you need to live in a country that is supported for the payment that they use, and they use PayPal. So you can just click these, and basically, these are the countries that PayPal supports. So if you have PayPal available to you, then you should be able to use this. But make sure that you can also receive payments from PayPal. Okay. So here's another check for if your country works. And how much these guys pay is here. Getting paid. How much does Castingwords pay? They pay between 8.5 cents to a bit over $1 per audio minute. So what does per audio minute mean, or per audio hour mean? It means that if the file is 5 minutes long, they're going to be paying you for 5 minutes of that recorded video, not how long it takes you to transcribe a 5-minute video, which can take maybe 15 minutes or even 20 minutes, depending on what the quality is of the audio file. There's a wide range though. They're saying there's a wide range because you're going to be graded on your work. Okay, so if you're grading 0 to 4, you're going to get nothing. So you need grade 5 and up. And so the more quality you give, the higher the rates will be. So it's just a matter of practice, guys. Okay, of course, in the beginning, if you're not that good, these guys actually allow you to work with them without any experience, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's why you can start at the low end and then work your way up. So this site is actually really good for a lot of you because it is available for a lot of different countries. And so even at 8.5 cents for some of you, it could be a lot of money, right? But if you keep working and you know, keep doing this, practicing hard every day, then you could be able to earn the high amounts where you could get paid over $1 per audio minute, which is going to be better for you. Okay. And how do you get paid? Like I said, they do everything through PayPal, and they do this once a week. Oh, you have to at least have $1 in your account to request a payment, and you just gotta click the request transfer button on your dashboard anytime during the week. So that is very good. You could get paid very fast using this method. So there's a lot more that you can check out on this FAQ page. And the link to this FAQ page is just on the bottom right here. You'll see it, FAQ. So that's Castingwords. The next one I want to show you is Transcribeme.com. This one is a really good one as well. And this one has been around for a long time. So this one is definitely paying and a very good fit for any beginners. So if you're just starting out, you could join as a transcriptionist on the top button up here, okay? I'm going to click that, and then you're going to get to the next page here. Become a paid transcriptionist today. Transcribe audio, video into high quality text and get paid. So join our team. You click that and you'll get this. This is not a very hard form to fill. You do have your phone name, email, password, your PayPal account, the country, and look, again, this is worldwide, guys. Look at all the country that is allowed here, okay? So I'm sure you could find something, your time zone, the language you prefer, gender, employment, if you're employed or not, transcription experience. So you can have less than a year to basically nothing. So you could be a beginner. Just click the languages that you're good at. And if you have these, I would add as much details as possible. If you don't have Skype, just get one. It's free. Look at this. So this place, you could do little clips. You don't have to do any long clips, and that's really awesome. So it could be easier if they're shorter clips. Hopefully the sound quality is still good, and then you could work as little or as much as you want. Okay. So I'm back to this page where after you click on Join Transcriptionist, I'm just coming back here to give you more information. So this is one of the top rated sites and is highly recommended by all these other blogs. What they offer here is going to be 15 to 22 per audio hour. This is going to be less than $1 a minute, of course. So they're saying on average monthly earnings are $250, but these are probably people who don't really try it for more than, you know, one time kind of thing. So if you're actually trying and doing this, you know, practicing and doing this harder, then you could looking at a 4-digit online income if you wish. Okay, so 2,200 is very feasible, they're saying. And then you could grow and learn with them. They actually help you as well if you need help. No experience or upfront investment, so you don't need to pay anything or anything like that. So this is a really good platform to start with if you're a new transcriptionist, and you have the freedom and flexibility to work on your own schedule and at your own home. Transcribe short 1 to 2 minute videos, not videos, but clips. And when complete, our system sends another micro task to transcribe. There's no limit how many you can process. And so you can do this at any time of the day. So this is a really good one as well for you guys to check out. And the other one that is really good is at Rev.com. Rev.com has actually 3 types of things that you can do for them, not just transcription. You can do captions and foreign titles. So as somebody like you and me who wants to do the work for them, you have to come all the way down to the bottom and click on freelancers over here. Okay. Once you hit that, you're going to get to this page, freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev, earn money transcribing, captioning at home. So here, your rates are even higher at $1.10. So it starts at 30 cents, which is actually much higher than Castingwords, which started at 8.5. So this is pretty good. you got to make sure that you have to caption everything that's going on in the video, right? So that's what this means about the conveying sounds. And you got to sync typed audio with the video. So you got to make sure that you're typing in with the right time with the video so that people understand the video properly. So start making money in 3 easy steps. You take a quick quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Then you submit a transcription or caption sample, which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. If you are approved, you'll be able to register and start earning right away. So you do have to go through a test with this one, even though you won't need any experience, and they will just hire you based on what you know, what you can do, which is great because you could actually try practicing on other sites before you come to this one, because this is the highest paying one. So it's very advantageous if you just do this one last, so you could get some practice with some other sites and make sure you pass the test to get the high rates on this site. Okay, so this one is going to be easy for you to sign up. So right now they're saying they have a lot of freelancers, but you can still apply below. So there just might be a little bit waiting list for this one, but I would just apply anyway because you would need to do the testing and so forth. So I don't know if you can still do the test right now. And this one is going to be worldwide, I believe. So these sites allow you to earn while you are typing online, but if you really want to type and make money this way, it's actually best to type for yourself. Typing for yourself is actually way better, and you can do it at this site right here. You can learn how to type for yourself by joining this and creating your own website, guys. Okay, so if you build an online business with your own website and join this platform so you can learn how to build a website like this, Wealthy Affiliate is going to teach you exactly how to do it, and you can earn a lot more money than those sites that I just showed you. Okay, so this takes a little more time. Of course, it's not like a job. It's not a job because you are actually building your own online business. So don't make that mistake as you're going to go on Wealthy Affiliate and try to earn from Wealthy Affiliate. It's not like that. Okay, Wealthy Affiliate is a training platform where you can learn how to write for yourself on your own website. And they teach you how to use affiliate links to put into your content that you are going to be typing about, which allows you to earn from everything that you write over and over again. So when you are writing for all those other sites, you are trading time for money. When you're writing for yourself on your own website, you're going to be earning passive online income because you can earn over and over again from the work that you do. Okay, so this is very advantageous. I built workanywherenow.com with this training, and they taught me so well that I actually became a super affiliate on the platform with this website. So you can do the same. Income disclaimer is that, you know, my results are not typical. I have to say this. Your results may vary, and nothing's guaranteed because you are building an online business. So in order for you to sign up for free on this website, you do need to sign up with my link, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, because if you don't use that link and just go directly to Wealthy Affiliate, you will not get me on this web page. And what that means is that you're not going to get me as your personal coach on the platform. I offer my personal coaching as my bonus for you if you sign up with me. Plus, I give you other bonuses that you'll get on your profile. So look out for that. I will send you a message when you sign up for free. And then when you upgrade to premium, I will be your premium coach and advise you any questions that you have on this process. So check it out. It is much better to write for yourself and earn over and over again from the work that you put in. So it's very advantageous for you to learn something like this instead of writing for other people. But, you know, in the meantime, you can write for other people to earn on the side while you're building your affiliate website, because affiliate websites, like I said earlier, it does take time for it to show results. You need a lot of patience. You need a lot of hard work to put into it, but the rewards are well worth it. Okay. So I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.